Hello everyone, here's your Tech Informant. I had a wonderful conversation with Yetty from Yetty Prices TV, and she shared her reaction towards the new YouTube terms of service. Okay, among the things we discussed were the demoralizing and the motivating aspect of this incident, and the options available to affected YouTubers. We discussed so much on this conversation. So after watching this video, please go to her channel and let her know that you came from the Tech Informant. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe if you have not. Then if you want to watch a particular section of this video, you can check the timestamp and click on a title and it will take you to that particular question or title. So without saying much, let's hear from Yetty.
Honestly, I was shocked because when I saw the message that came up from the YouTube, I saw people were distributing it all over social media. I first saw it on Facebook and I was like, maybe they're not, maybe they're joking, or maybe it's just something. But then I started seeing on YouTube as well, influencer coming up and discussing about it, and I was like, oh, but this is not fair, because I know how long it takes me, to prepare myself, to research on what topic to talk about, and bringing that to my channel, editing and going through all sort of things. And YouTube will still have to put adverts on it without paying me. I was even thinking if they can say, okay, we're gonna put adverts, but we'll be keeping the money for you. Then when you monetize, we can pay you. Honestly, really? I would have been so. I would be so happy with that. Okay, that's fine. At least you're keeping the money for me. I'll keep on working. But however, I was a bit down. I had to speak with one or two other YouTubers as well. Did you hear about the news? One of my friends, she's based in America, and she was like, oh, it's going to roll all over in America on the 20th of December, blah, blah. And she was like, and I was like, really? Oh my God, me, I'm based in Europe. Hopefully it's not going to roll over until, that kind of feeling. So at the end of it all, Lydia, I went and I bumped into your post as well on YouTube about it. I look into it. I bump into other posts as well, which I go through because I'm a kind of person, I research a lot, because I want my channel to grow. So I always look into other people's, what they have to offer and make my channel better, which your channel is very amazing with that, because you have a lot of content that is helping. Honestly, it's helping me because I pick your information on board. So I hope people can to see your content more. So when I look into other content, I just, okay, this is just like how will I say, it's like a push in the back that, come on, do this thing. You can work hard, you can get it done as soon as possible. Then I just thought to myself that, oh, I'm gonna keep working on, I'm gonna keep bringing out my content, in order for me to get all the requirements, to meet the requirements as soon as possible, so my channel can be monetized, so that someone would not be making money free of charge on my channel. I know.
Okay, now you've said how you felt when you had that news. So now moving forward, is it an experience of demoralization or an experience of motivation?
Honestly, YouTube is a competing word, and I am gonna. It actually boosts my moral to work hard, that I can do better. I can achieve this thing. So it's like a goal set for me that I can do this. I will never let what YouTube is bringing on to derail me or to pull me down, or to maybe the goal, the vision I have towards my channel, to let it go then. So the only thing that I did for me is that, okay, what can I do to make things work for me, before they roll out? So that's what I'm working on. So it actually boosts my moral that I can actually do better. I won't give up on this journey, because for you to get to where you're going, you're going to meet a lot of stumbling. So you just have to keep pushing and keep pushing.
People see you from Nigeria or Africa will say, you're fortunate, you are in the overseas, you are in Europe, people can easily associate with you. But like a young boy in Lagos, Nigeria, trying to set up with poor camera or with his Android phone, with poor audio and all those stuff, and this thing comes up. What's your advice for those that are like in the hundreds, maybe 100, 150 subscribers, and this news just come up. So what's your advice, please?
Yeah. My advice to those people is that first, I know this news, it can be shocking, and I understand the nature and the situation of Nigeria, because when we talk about maybe poor lighting, in terms of maybe there's no efficient electricity for them to be able to be online, and in terms of maybe internet connection or data, we know that it's very difficult in Nigeria, because for them to be able to put video out on YouTube, it might cost them a lot as well. And I know they are, they're spending to get that done. And I understand that not everyone is capable to be able to meet up, maybe having all the right equipment, to get video out. But one thing I'll tell them is that I know it is hard, but don't let this situation, stop you from having that dream of yours. I know, if you're below 100 subscribers, as you said, for instance, now, like I already make a post on my channel on how I'm able to attain a 1,000 subscriber, but even though I haven't completed that. One thing I suggest is that I know that I was saying it's really hard for you to go online and research because of internet connection, but the little time you have the connection, try to mingle with other YouTubers. Don't just expect okay, I'm going to make a post out and that's it. I'll leave YouTube and just leave that video to no, that's not the way it works. If you're a small YouTuber, as a small YouTuber, you have to mingle with other small YouTubers in your community. Because as for me now, what things I do that has been helping my channel, that has been helping me to retain some audience to my channel is that sometimes I go on my channel, the people I subscribe to, it can be a small YouTuber as well. I go on their channel, I make sure I turn on post notification. Anytime they make a post, I go on it, I watch their post. I comment genuinely on that post. From there, they're able to see that, okay, I think this person is interested in me. I notice that some of them come back to my channel as well. Anytime I make a post, they will comment on it. From there, we build a bond of a family, a community. Whenever this person posts, I have to go and comment on it. And another thing I do as well is that anytime I make a post, I don't just leave it to only YouTube. I distribute it everywhere. I learned that from your channel, that make use of other social media platforms. You can see I'm learning a lot from you.
Yeah.
And so I normally, I always distribute. Thank you. So I always make use of Facebook, Instagram. To the extent I make use of Pinterest as well. I think on Pinterest, on other maybe on other groups I have, maybe on WhatsApp, it can be a family group, it can be a church group, even on Telegram. I share it oh, please check out my new post. So I put it on my WhatsApp status. So from there, I talk into my analytics and I saw that I am getting traffic from my WhatsApp, from Facebook, even my non-subscribers. They are more the one interacting to my content compared to my subscribers. So that means all the page, all the platform I'm using to promote my content, traffic are coming from there because they are not subscribing to me, but they are coming from there. So definitely one day someone might just bump into you and say, oh, I love your channel. The person might just subscribe to you. So from there, you also get traffic. So anytime you're posting a content, I know you guys struggle with data a lot and you have a limited time you want to spend on internet, but that little time, just make use of it that, okay, immediately I put this video out, I need to distribute it to all those platforms so that at least that will promote my channel a little bit. And in terms of the poor lighting and all sort of things like that, one thing I can advise someone based in Nigeria, when you don't have the capability of the lighting, maybe you don't have the money or the expense to go that far. So the another thing is that I know Nigeria, we are blessed with natural lighting, not like in Europe here. Imagine it's 10 o'clock, it's still a little dark outside. Yeah. So make sure that it's already a bright day when you're making your video. Even if you're using your phone, like right now, I'm with you. I'm using my phone. I've been using my phone for my channel. I haven't invested in camera yet.
You see.
So you can imagine.
And your videos are very, very, the quality is top notch.
Yeah, that exactly is the point.
Yeah.
So what you can do is that you place your maybe place your camera in a place that the lighting that you're getting from it, the natural lighting, it's reflecting, because I've bumped into some video that I think, okay, maybe where they place the camera or their phones, the good lighting is not coming in, or maybe they are backing the lighting. So you can also make use of that good natural lighting that we have in Nigeria, even if you don't have the artificial lighting. And so I know it is really hard, but one thing I would say is that don't give up, okay? Don't give up. If you have a good content that, okay, this is my content and I'm ready to pursue this thing, not just that you're ready to come on YouTube once every month or once every 2 months. It will be hard for you to grow, because I bumped into one of your posts that you said when you first started, you only posted a 2 video in a year. You can imagine I really deep into your channel. So, but your consistency has got you where you are today. So, which I am learning from you as well, to be consistent like that. So, as a small YouTuber based in Nigeria as well, I know it can be hard. But anytime you have the opportunity to make that video, you have the data, just know that, okay, I'm ready to make this video today. I am going to give you all it takes, have the good lighting even from outside, wherever it takes. Just be consistent and don't give up. I know YouTube, they try everything to make it harder for us to get the subscriber, to get the watch hour. It's harder. Even some of us are preempting that, okay, maybe in 2020, they're even going to increase the watch hour to 10,000. Many people are coming up with assumptions. I know it's really, really hard. But all I would just say is that engage with your community, because you don't know. Just engage with your community. That is the fact I can tell you. Because from you engaging with your community, you can get connected. And while getting connected, you might be able to know, okay, this is the right thing to do. Because through me engaging with my community, I've met a lot of YouTubers. I've met you as well right now. So that is connection. So that is how you can be able to meet up and grow your channel. Don't just give up. Just keep pushing. You will get there.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Then I want to ask this question. Like, it seems as if most of what we discuss about is mainly about the monetary aspect. But like me, from my own, the way I view the whole thing about this monetization is that, we spend a lot to create content, and appreciating back with a token, or giving an appreciation. Okay, you did this thing, you created this stuff. Even some people, they invest so much on equipment. And at the end of the day, if they can get something back, a little from maybe those AdSense monetization and this stuff, something good. So, like now, there's other platforms like Vimeo. I made mention of about Vimeo in my previous video. Like, I made an attempt to also post on that site, but I discovered that I have to pay and moreover, Vimeo is just like a video storage site. It's not like YouTube. YouTube is a search engine on its own. If you go on Google and search for anything, if you go on other like Yahoo search engine, it will even take you back to YouTube. So now, is this all about money?
Thank you for this wonderful question, because this is something I have been discussing with one or two of my friends. One thing is that when, as someone that is starting a YouTube or as a small YouTuber, you need to have passion for what you do. One thing is that I know we make money, but don't let the money to overtake your decision or your plan or your progress. Because if we are too into like, oh, I am in it for money, you will not focus on your channel. You will not focus on your content. And the only way you can get to that destination of you not getting worried about money and the thing will just come easily your way is by you getting focused on your content and making sure you make your content better. But some people now, they're derailing from that fact of this platform. YouTube can come over tomorrow and say, okay, this is my platform. If you like, post your content. If you like, don't post your content. You're not getting paid for it. That's another thing. Will you say, okay, no, I'm not interested anymore. I'm going to give over whatever vision or whatever dream I have with you. So, but many people now, they are drifting away from the fact that this place is for you to create a content, a genuine content that you think, okay, I have passion for this thing. I want to do it. Let me put my content out. Many people are focusing on the money aspect. I know I never said you shouldn't think about the money, yes, fact. But many people are focusing all their attention on the money. So instead of some people to work on their content, what they need to bring up, I noticed some people are struggling with content. Because why? Their focus is the money. So they are only looking for where they can get more money. But they are not thinking of, okay, what can I do? How can I make my content better? How can I make my video better? How can I boost my channel that I can get out there? What is the best, like maybe search engine or maybe SEO or whatever I can use to make my platform to be searchable for people to find me? So as for me now, I know there is money in it later, but I just believe that will come at its own time. At the moment, let me focus on my channel, because if I focus on my channel and people were able to know me, people are able to know my channel, we're able to detect it. Gradually, whatever gain that comes from it will follow. But at the start, and let our focus to be on the purpose of we being on YouTube. We shouldn't just make the focus of, okay, because I'm going to make money on it, that's why I'm putting content out. Because if I'm not making on it, I'm not going to put content out. That means the focus of the brain will just be money, 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 money. You won't be able to think of, okay, what are the things I can bring out? How can I research to make my channel better? Every night, as I am, I go on my phone and I start researching on, I can bring up various topics and say, okay, let me research about this. Let me research about that. So I think we shouldn't be let the money to occupy us, to take over our focus of this, as in the purpose of we being on YouTube. You understand? I know some people might just be on YouTube for the money. Yes, we all need the money. I know that, but we shouldn't let that money to take away that creativity. Because if the money takes away the creativity, all we'll be thinking about is the money, 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 money. You understand? So which it's not what we want. So creativity should come first, then money can follow.
I agree with you, because you need to add value to your audience or your viewers, and then money will follow.
Exactly.
Okay, now there's one question I want to ask you. If there's no platform like YouTube, where other place where you upload your video or your content apart from YouTube?
Okay, I know many people look into like they said, okay, TikTok is there. They can maybe later on when they put on TikTok. But actually, I'm not really a fan of TikTok. So, and some people think, okay, Instagram now, because I've seen a lot of people now, even on social media, like, okay, can we make our Instagram better? I think Instagram is paying now. They want to do it. And I'm like, okay, really? Anyway, I'm not very interested in Instagram either. I just want to keep to YouTube. I know if there is no YouTube, it's going to be a very hard one, because I'll be thinking, okay, will I be a content creator at all? I don't think I will be a content creator, because Dailymotion doesn't even allow, it doesn't pay you for anything, even if you pay.
Yeah, exactly.
So whatever we face on YouTube, we should just accept it when it comes.
Yetty, thank you very much. Thank you. It's a wonderful conversation with you. I appreciate your time. Is there any other thing you need to tell our viewers before you sign off?
Oh, I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for having me on this wonderful platform. And guys, this platform is very, very good. It's amazing. So you guys need to, you need to glue to this platform, because I've learned a lot from him. And you know what? If you're a small YouTuber like me as well, you're going to learn so much from him. So thank you so much for having me on this platform. I really appreciate you so much.